Hello everyone. Today I am going to perform the activity to show the reaction of turmeric paper with the soap, acetic acid that is vinegar and the citric acid that is the lemon. So let's go. I have taken the soap solution here, the lemon and the acetic acid that is vinegar and the three strips for the test. Now one by one I will dip these strips in each solution. So first of all, I will take the strip for the soap. As I dipped the strip in the soap solution, I observed that it turned reddish. This is because the base converts the turmeric paper into the red colored. Now let's put this strip for the lemon test. So as I dipped the strip, I observed that there is no change in the color. This shows that the acid does not turn the turmeric strip into the color red. The color remains unchanged. Now I am taking the strip for the test of vinegar. Now, as we know that vinegar is also the acid that is acetic acid, so there is no change in the color. Thank you. At last, the observations are as follows. The turmeric strip turns red as it is put in the soap solution. The turmeric strip turns no change when it is put in the lemon solution. And also it does not show any change when it is put in the vinegar.